Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Learn AI, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to create Minecraft YouTube thumbnail using Remaker AI. So you want to go ahead and create your Remaker AI account if you haven't got one, and that's super easy. You just want to go ahead and basically go to Remaker AI. I'm going to show you. I'm going to sign in. When you head over to the official website, it's going to look like this. Let me go ahead and go back to the official website. You will see this and you will see what the website looks like. And if you go to login and sign up on the upper right, you can sign in with your Gmail account. Just simple select your Gmail account once you sign in and you'll be right in. Now once you create an account, you will have 30 credits so you can test it out, and if you so desire want to get more credits, you can quickly buy some. So you can pay, for example, 200 credits or 530 credits, and yeah, when you're ready and you feel like, hey, I really like this tool, you can always upgrade. Now you can find a link within the description of this video. After you burn out your 30 credits, you can use the link in the description of this video. That's my affiliate link, and I just ask as a token if you can show some appreciation by using the link if you so desire want to purchase any of the credits. So that's really up to you, but let me show you how this actually works. So you want to use for a chatbot, right? AI chatbot. That could be ChatGPT, it could be Gemini, it could be Claude, it could be Copilot. It doesn't really matter, right? You head over to it, you start a new chat, and for example, I ask it, give me a prompt that I can use in ideogram, right? But this is what I put in ideogram, and I can remake this, and I can say Remaker AI because that's what I tested. It can also work in ideogram as well. So I can just change this and say Remaker.ai, right? And click enter. It's going to give me a prompt, guys, as you can see. Pretty similar prompt, right? And I'm going to copy this prompt. And then once I copy this prompt, you head over to Remaker AI. Under the all or the photo, doesn't matter which one, you can choose. As you can see, I just sign in and I'm under all. Look for the AI image generator. Click on it. Now, once you click on this, you want to ensure that you're on the text to image section and paste your prompt, right? You have three options here in terms of model. You can choose any. In this case, I'm going to just work with the Flux Pro. And it's important for you to go ahead and choose the 16:9. This is going to help you to get the size for YouTube thumbnails. And at the bottom, you can choose the number of images. That's really up to you. You can do 1, 2, 3, or 4. Let's work with 2 for now. And for one image, it's 8 credits, as you can see. So if I want 2, then it will use 16 credits. So if you're on the free account, be aware that you'll quickly burn out your credits, right? So I'm going to go ahead and just click generate right here, and it's going to quickly generate 2 really nice thumbnails. I really like how it creates thumbnails, and so I want to just recommend to you that you can use it to create thumbnails, really good thumbnails. So have a look at that, how to make Minecraft thumbnails. That's super cool, right? Here's another one, how to make Minecraft thumbnails. And I want to show you some others that I've generated in the past as well. Have a look at this, right? Let's look at this one as well. And there are 2 more. Super cool, right? And you can easily create these thumbnails with it. And I'm going to show you other thumbnails that I've generated in the past as well. Have a look at this. Have a look at this. Cool stuff, guys. And there's even a second page. Look at these thumbnails that I've generated, right? So if you're looking to create Minecraft thumbnails or whichever thumbnails that you want to generate with this tool, I highly recommend it. So check out Remaker AI, guys. You can create not only thumbnails, but a ton of different AI tools they have in their platform that you can actually use. Check them out. Different categories. They also have free tools as well that you can use, but you have a lot of tools that you can use here when it comes to AI. So with that said, guys, thank you guys for watching. That's how you go ahead and use Remaker AI to create Minecraft YouTube thumbnails. I really hope you like this. Subscribe to the channel and see you guys in another video.